barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today, we're cooking a big old steak. Check that sucker out. This is just a basic cowboy ribeye steak, Angus beef from Walmart. And about $14 steak, not a big deal. We're going to trim it up just a little bit, kind of make it a little prettier, and then we're going to slap the sucker on the grill. I'm also doing a, let's see if I can find it here. Oh, there it is. A filet mignon for the wife. She's not a big fan of the ribeye, so we're going to do a filet mignon for her. Going to cook it well done, because that's how she likes it, and I feel like it just kind of ruins the meat myself, but whatever. I'm not the one eating it, so yeah, there, it is what it is. So, the grill's fired up, it's roaring, and we're going to get the steak on there, so let's get after it. Alright, y'all, we are going to go ahead and throw my wife's steak on first. How's that look, folks? You see that? See those nice lines on there? Alright, now that my wife's steak's done, we're going to clean this sucker off and we're going to do the ribeye. Alright, here we go, folks. Here we go. Trying the ribeye. Didn't quite put it on there where I wanted it, but we're going to go with it. I think we're just going to wait. We're going to try it without it. Set my timer. I'm going to put the lid on. We're going to wait. 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the timer. Alright, here we go. See if we can do this without the cameras in the way. Oh no. Okay, we're going to take it off. Whew. We'll make sure that we did this right. Need to go over just a little bit, but I think it'll be fine. Okay, so flip it, and now I'm gonna go this way with it. Woo-wee. Pretty warm there. So, see if we did this one, right? See. Make sure this was this way. Make sure that that's going to be right. I think that's going to be right. See, you got them lines a little messy. I probably should have went a little less time, maybe. Alright. Check our temp. Oh shoot. Oh, perfect. Okay. My lines didn't turn out perfect. I probably should use my steak weight, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. We'll work on that a little bit later. Alright, it's done. And that's it for this part of it. Let's go over here and take some pictures. Alright, so the lines aren't perfect. I probably could have went a little less time. Maybe, I don't know, minute 45, minute 30, maybe those lines would have been a little neater. But it looks pretty good. I mean, I just wish the lines would have been a little nicer. Got a little more burnt here than I wanted. So, yeah, it is what it is. It's just practice. But there's the seasonings I used. And that's how she looks. We're going to cut that line off there. We're going to cut this sucker open. And we're going to eat it. So, let's do that. Alright. Show you again. Alright, so let's cut the string off. Alright, cut that string off. We're going to pull these out. Oops. We'll see how we did on the inside of it. Like I said, this is just practice, so I don't think I'm going to be winning any SCAs with this sucker here, but I tell you that. So, but it's also not like a super high-end steak either. Let's get a good knife. Let's get this knife. All right, let's just cut her open. Cut her right down the middle here. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good there. Whoo-wee. See if you can see that. Looks nice and good there, don't it? Alright, we're going to take a quick picture of it, and we're going to go eat. Alright, y'all, that is it for me. I'm going to go eat this steak while it's hot, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on all those social medias at NewbieQ2020 on Instagram and Facebook, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue on TikTok, and NewbieQ here on YouTube, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, podcast, Butts and Stuff Podcast, check it out. We've talked a lot about steaks and stuff on there, so you guys can go listen. I think we're on episode like 10 right now, 10, 11, something like that. I don't know. But check all that out. Check out the merch page. Hit the link in the bottom. I'll take you to everything. Anyway, see you guys next time. Peace out. Love you. See you next time.